How to turn on the laser pointer on the Fluke 62 Max Plus. First, press and release the green trigger. Then take the select button and press it multiple times until you see LAS on. At this point, you use the set button to turn it off or on. The Fluke 62 Max Plus has a unique feature that allows the operator to determine the distance to spot size without having to calculate it. As you can see, the laser pointers in this case are describing the circle that's being measured, and it is larger than our target area of 12 inches. As I move closer, you'll notice that the lasers get closer together, and now I'm close enough to the target that they're completely contained within the target area.